Vietnam is emerging as a point attracting strongly investment in the region. With high economic growth and average GDP growth rate in 20 recent years reaching over 6%, Vietnam is a country with stable political and social environment compared to other countries in the region, as well as a safe place to make long-term investment. Until now, there are more than 100 countries and territories investing in Vietnam. FDI has annually increased in both the number of projects and investment. FDI has actually become an important part in the development of Vietnam. Vietnam increasingly demonstrates that it is an ideal destination for international investors. In particular, Thien 2 Industrial Park, located in Binh Xuyen District, Vĩnh Phúc Province, has become a key place where Vina CPK Company Limited directly invests and manages. With a total area of 308 hectares, of which there are more than 200 hectares of industrial land, Thien 2 Industrial Park is oriented for development towards modern and environmentally friendly trends, serving for light industries, electronics sectors, and high-tech industries with a stable development of the environment and etc. Thien 2 Industrial Park is at the geographic location, which is very convenient. It is adjacent to and 50 kilometers far from the center of Hanoi in the west. It is only 15 kilometers far from Toyota Vietnam factory and Honda Vietnam factory, 50 kilometers far from Samsung Bắc Ninh and Samsung Thái Nguyên. It is 20 kilometers far from Nội Bài International Airport, 160 kilometers far from Hai Phong Port, and 180 kilometers far from Khai Lan Deepwater Port. In addition, from the location of the industrial park, it is very easy to make fast connection with the other provinces in the region by the traffic system National Road number 2, National Road number 18, Nội Bài Lào Cai Expressway to China, also near the Ring Road number 4 of Hanoi, and etc. These favorable factors make it become a large attraction of investors here. Notable features of Thien 2 Industrial Park compared to other industrial parks are: the industrial park is developed in the area with good geology and hard ground, which helps investors save more construction costs of factories than ones in the other areas. Infrastructure has been built and completed towards the modern direction with full of necessary items to ensure effective production, such as clean water supply system with total capacity of 12,000 cubic meters per day ensures production and living demands for the entire industrial park. Wastewater treatment plant with a total capacity of 10,000 cubic meters per day has been invested, built, and completed in the industrial park, ensures treatment of wastewater with standard type A before discharging to the environment. The industrial park is provided with stable electricity from 110 per 20 kilovolts substation under National Power Network with a total capacity of 126 megavolt amperes connected to each enterprise. In particular, the executive office area has a total area of 7,000 square meters. In particular, floor area of office building is 3,300 square meters, designed with multifunctions with utilities such as working office, conference rooms, banks, supermarkets, catering services, and areas for training, recruitment, and etc. to meet operational needs of investors in the construction period. In addition, investors in the industrial park can easily connect and use services such as customs, aviation, taxation, logistics, and interbranch agencies together with public services as banks, healthcare, post offices, and supermarket centers. Another important factor contributing to the stable development of enterprise is labor forces. Vĩnh Phúc Province, a place where Thien 2 is located, has population of nearly 1.2 million people with nearly 700,000 workers, accounting for 61.6% of total population. Labor forces of Vĩnh Phúc are relatively young with the ability of receive modern technologies fast as well as advanced management skills to meet the needs of investors. In collaboration with more than 20 universities, colleges, and professional vocational schools located in the area near Ba Thien 2 Industrial Park annually, training and providing 20,000 to 30,000 highly skilled workers will meet labor demands for the factories in the industrial park. Despite being a new industrial park, Ba Thien 2 has gradually created confidence in foreign investors, including particularly Nippon Paint Vĩnh Phúc, Suzukaku Vietnam, DST Vina, Seconix Vina, TAL Vietnam, Vina Union, SBK Vina, New Flex, Solon Vina, Samjin L&D, and etc. And many other companies have been in the period of preparing procedures for construction of the factories. With clean and comfortable living space with full of utilities, there is a lot of open space filled with trees, bringing a living and working space which is close to the nature. The highlight of the industrial park is that greenery system accounts for up to 14% of the total area, making up a big lung for the entire industrial park. In addition, Ba Thien 2 Industrial Park is close to the famous tourism areas in the northern such as Dai Lai Lake, Dai Lai Golf Course and Resort, Tam Dao Golf Course, Dam Vạc Golf Course, Minh Chí Golf Course, Tam Dao Resort and Tam Dao National Park. In particular, with one-stop service, in order to save time and costs for our customers, we focus on providing and developing a one-stop service to provide advices and support in investment procedures and operations of the enterprise since its establishment, such as support the implementation of procedures for issuance of investment certificate and business registration certificate, support in the completion of legal procedures after being granted with the investment certificate, support and implement procedures for issuance of construction license, make environmental impact assessment, guide application for issuing labor license for foreigners, support recruitment and training. In continuously bringing comprehensive support services, Ba Thien 2 Industrial Park has brought potential value for investors. Apart from outstanding advantages, Ba Thien 2 is an ideal destination for investors.